Hey everybody, it's Roland the Real from Complete Trader Academy. Welcome to another daily review. US30, Dow Jones. This is the daily chart, and let's jump right into it. So as we mentioned in the previous daily video, precision here is key for us. So we were right on the money with this. This is the daily candle for Friday. All right, last day of the month. Price opened up here, came up, took out some money in there, came down, and we discussed about this, that major low imbalance from, I believe, November 10, 2020. As you see here, it ended up hitting and clearing those lows again. All that liquidity underneath here, and then we have more objectives all the way over here, which this is that green line. This is the line that hit. So took out these lows here from November 10, 2020. We got an imbalance in here, so price started coming in here. So the objective is met for this, and that's kind of why. Now my next projection, I mean, it could bounce off from this down move. It can come in here and just bounce off, or come into this order block here. Right, and then we have some imbalance there, but this is kind of forward thinking a little bit too much. Right now, we're gonna just stick to present time. So we're gonna go into a smaller time frame here. All right, let's look at the 15-minute. Look at this precision that we got here. I'm sure you can see this. All right, so price, what was this? This is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. Price Wednesday rallied up, took out these equal highs, all that liquidity up there, got into that imbalance if you remember, started breaking down, and it was a sell program. It never stopped breaking down. If you mentioned in the previous videos, if you remember me saying you should only be looking for sells, that's why I said that. Yeah, we could have been rallying up and came up here. We have some objectives up here, but you are bearish, in a bearish environment. You are in a sell program. This was just to take out that liquidity up there to then finish the objective of coming back down to take these lows, and then all those other areas that I mentioned. As you see here, price opened up. So, well, the day before, breakdown, 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 breakdown. Came in, we took this buy here. Middle of the night, yesterday, so 5 in the morning, price came up, came into this supply block here. We did have this little gap here. They faked us out, didn't go all the way up there, but you were sufficient to be in this trade already from this supply block here, right? All right, price hit that, broke down. Once it broke down, we had a resistance forming. We have the imbalance here. So price came back up to that same imbalance. Price broke down, retested that demand block. So made clean, look at that, clean equal lows. That's engineering liquidity. Price rallied back up to go back into this imbalance, get into this. See that? Look at that precision. Came right back into that supply block. Watch this. See that? Perfect. So we have resistance here. So we have support, turn, resistance, and then we have liquidity up here taking out the people who are selling here. And then to finish the objective to come down, look what it did. One more time. Came down and hit that. And you see this fib here? This is a little bit more confluence. A, B, C. Got right close to that 61. So just helping with confluence as far as a high probability zone for an entry. And this is the negative 27. Look at that. Smacks that perfectly. And then we could see lower pricing coming down to this 61. We'll go back to the daily chart real quick. Well, and you'll see that on a major scale or on a higher swing, A, B, C could have been here, could have been here, could have been anywhere, but the 23 held price, and our projection can be here, here, and there's that other high probability area that we discussed. So yeah, price is sinking, and we're not exactly sure what's going to happen next week. But in my opinion, I think we're going to keep coming down, reach these objectives. See this? This is the major swing that we were in, A, B, and then C, which was at 78. That's going to be our first negative 27 on a big swing scale. So a lot of confluence right here to take profits if you're still in the sells, and potential reversals to then now come back up here and then maybe take out some of this money here. I hope this helps. All right, take care. God bless.